Affresh coffee maker cleaner is specially formulated to fight hard water deposits and mineral buildup, all without mixing and measuring or the odor of vinegar. For multi-cup makers, fill the reservoir to the maximum level with water and drop 1 tablet into the reservoir. If your coffee maker has a covered reservoir, fill the brew pot with water and dissolve 1 tablet in the pot, and then pour the solution into the reservoir. Run 1 brew cycle into the brew pot. If your coffee maker has a clean cycle, select that setting. Then discard the brew pot when full. Finally, repeat the process by running 1 more brew or clean cycle to fully rinse the coffee maker. For single-serve brewers, fill the reservoir to the maximum level and then drop 1 tablet into the reservoir. Run 2 brew cycles, discarding the water each time. Next, discard the remaining water from the reservoir and refill it to the maximum level with fresh water. Finally, repeat by running 2 additional brew cycles to fully rinse the coffee maker. And be sure to use monthly to help keep your brewer looking like new.